So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today in this video we're going to be looking at a new football unboxing video. So the ball is actually a football match ball, so it's priced around 9,000 rupees, but you have an offer right now, so if you want you can just check it down in the description below. So here we have the ball, guys. So that's it for this unboxing, guys. So hope you'll enjoy this video. So I'll be putting a full review on this ball pretty soon in my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. And while you're waiting, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get up-to-date information about football and soccer events. So until the next video, Prashanth signing off. Peace.